Symptoms of exhaust leaks and how to fix it. The exhaust system collects the exhaust gases from the cylinders, removes harmful substances, reduces noise, and discharges the purified exhaust gases at an appropriate point of the vehicle away from its occupant. The exhaust system can consist of 1 or 2 channels depending on the engine. The flow resistance must be selected so that the exhaust back pressure affects engine performance as little as possible. To ensure that the exhaust system functions perfectly, it must be viewed as a whole and developed accordingly. This means that the design engineers must align with the specific vehicle and engine and coordinate its component. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide lucid explanations on issues related to cars and their essential components. I share helpful and professional tips to help you maintain your vehicle. Today, I will be talking about an essential and exciting topic, symptoms of exhaust leaks and how to fix it. Every internal combustion engine produces exhaust noise due to the pulsating emission of gases from the cylinders. This noise has to be silenced by reducing the sound energy of the exhaust gas flow. There are 2 basic options here: absorption and reflection of the sound in the silencer. These 2 principles are generally combined in a single silencer. Exhaust chambers and exhaust flaps are other sound-absorbing and sound-modifying elements that can be used to eliminate especially undesirable frequencies from the outlet noise. Catalytic converters also have a sound-absorbing effect. The exhaust system is a system subject to vibration, and it produces noise through natural frequencies and vibration, which are transmitted to the car body. Careful coordination of the entire system. This includes the design and positioning of the individual elements of the exhaust system and their flexible mountings. There are 5 major types of car exhaust, and I will be explaining each. 1. Single exit pipe. The most common type of exhaust system is the single exit type. You'll usually find them on cars and trucks you buy from the dealer. They aren't the most efficient pipes but the cheapest to manufacture and install. The pipe's exit will always be on the car's passenger side. 2. Dual rear exit. The dual rear exit exhaust system is generally on sportier cars or added to make a vehicle seem sporty. It gives a deeper note to the exhaust, causing the engine to sound more powerful. This system uses 2 exhaust pipes on opposite sides of the car. Unlike other systems, the pipes don't bend around the wheels. 3. Opposite dual exhaust. Where dual rear exhaust systems don't bend, opposite dual exhaust systems work differently. They wrap around the wheel, using the bend to add to the filtering process. You'll see them more on vehicles that tow large loads, like boats or trailers. 4. Dual-side exhaust. Just as the name implies, a dual-side exhaust system has 2 pipes next to each other on one side. The 2 pipes expel gases more efficiently than single-exit pipes. They look and sound like high-performance systems and offer some enhancement in performance. 5. High performance. High-performance exhaust systems may be more expensive, but they do more efficiently filter out the gases. However, they are not standard and must be fitted to the vehicle aftermarket. In some cases, a high-performance exhaust system can increase a car's efficiency and engine performance. Keeping your vehicle properly maintained can take time and effort. The weather and the roads are extra rough on your car. Any day you are driving around, you notice your exhaust is making more noise than usual, and you feel like you are down on power. You most likely have an exhaust leak. But what caused it? One of the most common ways for an exhaust leak to occur is simply driving your car. Your vehicle experiences extreme temperatures whenever you cycle on and off. Over time, this expansion and contraction can lead to small leaks in your manifold gasket. Another common way to obtain an exhaust leak is from rust. Condensation that gets trapped in your exhaust pipe slowly eats away at the metal and creates leaks. If you live in a state with emissions testing, an exhaust leak can result in your car failing the test, forcing you to resolve the issue before being able to operate your vehicle legally. Keep your vehicle running smoothly. Learn to recognize the symptoms of an exhaust leak. If you notice any of the following signs, it's time to make an appointment with your service provider. Just like every other part of your car, the exhaust can be faulty too. However, you will quickly discover if your exhaust leaks by noticing these symptoms. Engine noise. Increased engine noise is a common sign of an exhaust leak. Listen for a loud rumble, significantly while accelerating. You may also hear intermittent popping or hissing noises while the engine runs. Loss of acceleration and power. An exhaust leak can affect the performance of your engine. You may notice that your vehicle doesn't have its usual pick-up and go when you punch down the gas pedal. Your car will continue to lose power if the exhaust leak isn't fixed. Reduced fuel economy. An exhaust leak could be the culprit if you're making more trips to the gas station. When your vehicle has an exhaust leak, your air-to-fuel ratio balance could be disrupted. An improper air-to-fuel ratio can cause the engine to run less efficiently, causing it to reduce overall engine efficiency. Gas smell. Smelling gas fumes inside your vehicle can signal an exhaust leak. If an exhaust pipe becomes damaged, it can let gas fumes escape into your car's passenger cabin. In conclusion, an exhaust leak is annoying and potentially smelly. It can cause buildup and damage to your exhaust system. If you have noticed your exhaust system and found the leak in the exhaust pipe itself, you may be able to repair it yourself if you have the skill and tools. How to do it. With your vehicle carefully raised, you will need to remove the damaged area of the pipe. Start using a hacksaw to cut an inch on either side of the crack or hole perpendicularly. Remove that part of the pipe and discard it. Cut some aluminum sheet metal using tin snips and bend it into the shape of the pipe. You will need to ensure that you cut it longer than the piece you removed from the tube to reach both ends and seal it properly. You want it to fit snugly inside the two ends of the steel pipe you cut. This will be the inner sleeve. Push one end into one opening and then slide it into the other. You will now need to cut a larger piece of metal, forming a greater diameter pipe. This will need to fit around the outside of the two steel ends you cut with the hacksaw, overlapping them. Use exhaust clamps to secure this outer sleeve. Now, using muffler tape, you will want to wrap both ends of the outer sleeve, securing them more fully to the pipe. Keep wrapping between the exhaust clamps and the exhaust pipe. Wrap it tightly to ensure no further leakage and to prevent noise. This should provide you with more years of usability from your exhaust pipe. I appreciate your time for watching that interesting and educative video. I am sure you got value. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell to be the first to get notified when we drop a new video. See you all next time.